If you've got a Jeep Gladiator, you already know that the rear end leaves a lot on the table, especially with the factory halogens and even the OEM LED taillights. And if you've seen our JL taillights, you've probably wondered when that same upgrade was coming to the JT. I'm Jordan with Form Lighting, and today I'm excited to announce that our all-new LED taillights for the Jeep Gladiator are here. Right away, the biggest difference is in the design. You can choose between a smoked or red outer lens, both built around an improved layout that changes the look of the rear right away. Around the outside, you've got a fully illuminated outline that frames the taillight. And towards the center, the infinity mirror design gives it that deep, layered look that really stands out. It really draws your eyes in and adds a ton of depth to the design. Overall, it just looks more complete and fills out the rear of the truck the way that it should. And that design isn't just for looks. It comes to life when the lights turn on. Once they do, the whole taillight runs through an animated startup sequence. Both the outer section and the infinity mirror light up together, so it feels like the whole taillight is working as one. It's a small detail, but one that makes your truck feel more modern every time the lights come on. That same design offers a sequential LED turn signal up top. When connected, the upper LED bar runs a clean, sequential amber turn signal that really stands out and fits the Gladiator well. To enable that feature, you'll just tap into the front turn signals during install. If you choose not to, the outer section still handles your turn signal just like the factory setup, so everything works right out of the box. And if you do enable the upper bar but prefer a more traditional look, you can switch the sequential pattern over to a static mode, along with the startup sequence. Beyond that, everything is purpose-built for function. These are a full, high-output LED upgrade. The outer outline and the infinity mirror section both handle your running light and brake light, so when you hit the brakes, the whole light fills in evenly. On top of that, both the upper and lower bars light up under braking as well, adding even more visibility when you're on the pedal. And the lower bar also serves as your reverse light, providing clean, usable light when you're backing up. So it all lights up together and feels like one complete design. And even with all that built in, installation is still straightforward. It's fully plug and play across all Gladiator trim levels, with no coating, no extra modules, and no taser or J-scan required. These are also fully compatible with factory blind spot monitoring, so if your truck is equipped, you're not losing that functionality. You'll just transfer your factory blind spot module over to the new taillights during install. If your truck came with halogen taillights, we include plug-and-play resistors to prevent hyperflash. If it already has factory LED or is programmed for it, those can be left out. Just like the rest of our lineup, these taillights are built to last. They're constructed with OEM-grade materials, designed for a factory-style fit, and are both SAE and DOT compliant. They're made to hold up to daily driving, weather, and long-term use, and they're backed by our 2-year warranty. So if you've been waiting for a proper taillight upgrade for your Gladiator, this is it. Modern design, full LED function, sequential turn signals, and a clean OEM-style fit all in one package. And if you want to complete the look of your Gladiator, these pair perfectly with our fender lights, our side markers, and more. You can find them now at formlights.com, or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date with everything that we're dropping, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on all socials. Thanks for watching.